Hello, Cal here with Sold Air, coming on to show you some of my plans for a trip that I'm going on. I just thought it'd be fun to show you what I'm taking along and how I decided what to pack. This is a journal that I made recently using a file folder, like a hanging file folder, and it's inspired by Gina at Gina Makes It. I will link that video below. And I'm just kind of quickly going through the pages. It's a single bound just with a little piece of yarn, so you can take pages out if you want to work on them. And this will be a handy size to take with me on the airplane. This is a cool bag that I got when I was in Virginia that I have stuffed with goodies. And I'm going to take this little kit that I got on Amazon. It has different stickers and papers and stuff like that. So that'll be fun to use for that. And I'll put that back in there. And I like to take art supplies, some baby wipes along, and then I have some other bags inside the bag. And let's see what else I got there. And then and I have my iPad and my little Bible. So I like to take those things with me. Just trying to see what else. I think that's all that's in there. So that will be handy. I'm excited that I was able to pack just a few things that I will enjoy. So in this one, I just brought some watercolor pencils and a water brush and a pen so that I can sketch and watercolor on the trip. And then in this one has different paper ephemera that has been gifted to me and that I've collected over time. I also have little companions that I bring along with me. A little dog and a little elephant. Isn't it cute? And yeah, some just cards and stuff that I can use in my collages. And then in this one I put some paint chips to write on or to use however I want. And there's a little fun rock in there that my niece gave me. Or a little, I think it's a rock. Yeah, I mean, it's also called something else, like a gem, not a gem, but you know what I mean. A nice, cool, soft, smooth rock to remind me of her. So that is stuff that I'm going to bring with me. I'm going to put my little doggy back in there. And my elephant. Okay. And then this one, oops, I gotta bring that. And then this one has some art supplies and other little things. So I have a little thread and needle, a little glue stick, another figure icon, a little figure of Christ, some business cards, a wine cork, a little box of paper labels, my date stamp and an eraser, and a little car to make marks on paper with paint or ink. I got this ink, so I was thinking that'd be fun, something different to do to add marks to my pages. And then some washi tape on different cards. Gold, red, gold, collection of kind of sparkly ones, and blues and greens and yellow. And some stickers. And a little stamp of a butterfly. And a candle, a little battery operated candle. Sometimes I like to turn that on when I'm creating on my vacations. And these little labels. So I'm very happy with the amount of things that I'm bringing. Not overwhelming, but enough to enjoy and play with at the airport or in my hotel in between events that we're going to. And yay, so I'm excited. I hope that is inspiring, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your holiday season, and I will be back with more inspiration. Bye.